Assalamualaikum, this is Mohammad Ismail Hossain and welcome back to another new English practice video. I hope those are watching my video, everyone is fine and healthy. I am also fine and healthy by the grace of Almighty Allah. As you can see, now I am at Hatia Alhaj Abdul Ghani College and it is located in Kustia district and Jaudia Union, as you can see. And this college was established in 2011. As you can see, this all area this are the part of this college, as you can see, and this is a beautiful area. And I want to show you this destroyed building. As you can see, now this college condition is very bad. As you can see, there are no shade here. As you can see, after the storm and the thunder, the shade are destroyed, as you can see. Okay, so I want to show you another place in this college. As you can see, there are a tube well for pure water. Those people are working that field when they are feel thirsty. They are come here to drink this water. Okay, and I want to show you around this place. As you can see, there are many cow here. Cow are eating grass, as you can see, and there are some goat. They are eating grass, and as you can see here, here a hard worker people, he is resting here, as you can see, under this tree, as you can see. So I have just come here to make a video for my practicing purpose, as you can see, and I am with my dear friend Motiur Rahman. You know that Motiur is a YouTuber and his channel name is This is Motiur. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.